Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Here we go, guys. This is Super Boss number 26, and we're gonna do just one Super Boss per video this time. This is what to use. We're gonna use this Blizzard Mamoswine. Just give him a charge boost. Yes, equip. And we're giving him an I don't know. Probably a first impression gear. So that we don't have to charge anything. Just go ahead and attack. So many messages about Pokemon Masters, guys. Oh my goodness. They're really hyped about Pokemon Masters. Red is coming out, and they're kind of talking about it. My friends are talking about it. Will he charge towards me? No, he's not charging towards me. He's shielding. Let me just use this. He's gonna... Yes. Exactly as guessed. Run! Stupid Mamoswine. Die. One, two, three, four. One more? I don't know. Yes, precisely. He's gonna summon. Too late. Attack one of them! Attack one of them, you stupid! Uh-oh, run away. Run away now. Run away, you stupid Mamoswine. Come on, switch. Switch to Buzzwole because he has lots of HP. Switch back to Mamoswine. Get ready to kill him. Get ready to kill that stupid Lugia. Come on. Kill that Lugia. Kill that Lugia. Done. And that was Super Boss number 26, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys with Super Boss number 27 in the next video. Rawr.